My name is Golnaz Tomaraei. I am a PhD student at the NanoProduct Lab at the University of Pittsburgh. Today I'm going to talk about our research on catalytic chemical vapor deposition of carbon nanotube forests by decoupling gas phase decomposition, catalyst nanoparticle formation, and catalytic growth steps. Here I would also like to thank our group members for their significant contributions to this research. A carbon nanotube is a single graphene layer that is seamlessly rolled into a nanometer-sized tube. They are either single-walled or multi-walled, and they have interesting properties including high specific strength and high thermal and electrical conductivities. According to this figure, there has been a continued interest in carbon nanotubes judging by the increasing number of publications as well as commercial production. Many applications have been proposed and some of them have already been commercialized. Most of the currently commercialized applications are based on microscopic quantities of CNTs with less strict requirement of CNT alignment or precise placement. However, many emerging applications need CNT structures with ordered and controllable morphologies. Vertically aligned CNT structures are also called forests. Chemical vapor deposition is the most promising method of synthesizing CNTs because of scalability, versatility, and production of high-quality nanotubes. This schematic shows that in the CVD process, first the hydrocarbon gas thermally decomposes on the surface of nanoparticle at a high temperature. Then carbon atoms diffuse on the surface or into the nanoparticle until they are incorporated in the growing CNT. The process can be scaled up by using a large number of catalyst nanoparticles. The anisotropic morphology of aligned CNTs give them unique energy and mass transport properties as well as mechanical properties, which make them useful for many applications including thermal interfaces, electric interconnects, nanoporous membranes, and structural fibers. Despite excellent properties and promising applications, there are challenges in manufacturing CNTs. Particularly, the coupling problem in typical hot-fold tube furnaces makes it challenging to control process parameters. In typical growth recipes, the temperatures of gas phase reactions, catalyst formation, and growth of CNTs are all coupled, meaning that these temperatures are all the same or highly dependent. Therefore, studying independent effect of these processes require decoupled recipes. As the schematic of our reactor shows, using a separate preheater enables decoupling gas phase decomposition from catalyst surface reactions, and the multi-zone infrared furnace enables high rates of heating and cooling, better dynamic control, and spatial gradients of temperature. Our results show that increasing the gas phase decomposition temperature to above 800 degrees C resulted in more than 12-fold increase in forest height, in agreement with the results of other researchers. The density of our CNT forests is inversely proportional to growth temperature, regardless of catalyst formation temperature, suggesting that catalytic activation density is mainly dependent on Tg. When the catalyst was thermally treated at different Tc values, AFM analysis of the areal number density of nanoparticles suggested that high density of nanoparticles is a necessary but not sufficient condition for high CNT nucleation density. Our results also show that there is an optimum Tg for maximizing forest height. Additionally, CNT forest height is directly proportional to catalyst formation temperature at a constant growth temperature. Thermal treatment of catalyst at high Tc didn't affect growth rate, but boosted catalyst lifetime, suggesting that higher Tc results in hindering catalyst deactivation. In summary, our reactor enabled independent study of the effect of process temperatures on growth kinetics, nucleation density, and catalyst lifetime. Nucleation density decreases at higher Tg, and there is an optimum Tg for maximum height. You can refer to these papers for further details of our work. Our future work includes designing new dynamic recipes to control spatial and temporal evolution of morphology. This research was supported by the National Science Foundation. Thank you all for listening.